My so-called life is sponsored by How's it going? I'm Godless Sewing, and this is the Godless Sewing channel. So, I'm in the process of moving, and for anyone who's ever moved, you know it's excruciating. But somewhere in the middle of the mess that's going on right now, I found a beautiful 1913 Singer sewing machine, and I finally made something from the material that I got from Hobby Lobby like a week or two ago. So as always, strap on, wear a helmet, and let's go sewing!
There's more for your Christmas at Sears.
More choices and more savings, too. Save $70 on this Kenmore microwave oven, just $279.99, with electronic touch controls and temperature probe. Save $40 on this sewing machine, with 6 built-in stitches and button holder. And save $40 on this PowerMate vacuum with beater bar brush. So wrap up a beautiful Christmas.
There's more for your life at Sears.
This is a 1913 Singer sewing machine. It comes from Elizabethport, New Jersey, and I am stoked to add this to the fleet. For a machine that is as old as it is, I am shocked that the motor works. I did a lot of work to get it going, so let's check it out, see how we got here. So this sewing machine is from 1913, and if there's one thing I haven't had, it's any luck in plugging in old sewing machines. Every time I've ever tried to plug in an old sewing machine in this room, it either trips a breaker or starts a mini fire. So we're gonna plug this in and see what happens. I have my fire extinguisher ready. I have my rubber boots on. Oh, that was so anticlimactic. All right, let's see. And the motor works. Let's see. It has a really odd foot. Wow. So all I did was add a little bit of oil. I let it soak for about 4 or 5 hours, and the machine's working. It's moving. I think I need a tighter belt, but this sewing machine is ready to go. I'm actually kind of amazed that a machine from 1913 with a little bit of oil and a little bit of love fired right up. So the next day, after soaking the machine, letting it hang out with the oil for a little bit, I finally got the machine up to speed, and it sounds beautiful. I have a little bit more work to do, but this machine sounds amazing. And for a 109-year-old machine, the fact that it didn't burn down my house or this shop is amazing.
I can make it dance.
So this scarf came out perfect. Do you know, this thing is toasty. I made it from the same material that I made from my comforter. I used the leftover scraps to line this with the same material that I got from Hobby Lobby a week or two ago, and this came out perfect. I added some scraps on the end, quilt style, just because I absolutely love that style. And this thing is nice and warm. So it's perfect for this time of year. And I have to say, I really like how this scarf came out. So, like I always say, stay creative and keep sewing. Something I rarely talk about here in the Godless Sewing channel is that I love to dance. It is something that I try to do every day. And the funny thing is, I can't dance. I have 3 left feet and I am so goofy that it's actually hilarious. So this is your friendly reminder to always be yourself, because no matter what, people are going to judge you anyways. So, like I always say, there's never a boring day here in the House of Sewing. I'm going to be moving, so if you don't see me for a week or two, it's because I own 90 sewing machines and enough fabric to open up my own shop. So, until next time, and like I always say, reinforce your seams, be yourself, and I will definitely see you next time.
Bombadita, 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 happy trails to you. Bombadita, 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 bombadita. Who cares about the clouds when we're together? Just sing a song and think about sunny weather.